Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off 5G on your Samsung S22 Ultra. Turning off 5G is if you don't want to use it, if it's unavailable in your regions, for example, just like me, if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off, but I would recommend for you to leave it open. It doesn't use extra battery or anything. But if you want to disable it, I'm going to show you how. So first of all, you're going to go on to settings. From settings, you're going to go on connections. And from connections, you're going to go on mobile networks. And from mobile networks, you're going to click on network mode, and then you're going to switch from 5G, LTE, 3G, 2E, 2G to LTE, 3G, 2G. Now, it is only going to connect on LTE, 3G, and 2G, and if it finds 5G, it is not going to connect on it. So yeah, that was basically it, how you can disable 5G. Just like this, you disable 5G. If you want to re-enable it, you go back to the 5G option. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.